Hey, welcome back to Civil War videos, and today I'm going to be showing off some cartridge box pieces and some belt buckles. So up top here are two belt buckles, and they look absolutely identical to the cartridge box. And this one right here would be the puppy paw hook style. And this one was dug at the Battle of Chancellorsville. And then right beside it, this was a officer's belt buckle, and this was made in 1851. It's considered the swords, and it's missing a little loop off of it, unfortunately, when they excavated it. Both of these pieces came from Chancellorsville. This is the German style of it. They had two different styles of this belt buckle, and this is the German variation. And then down here, this would be a cartridge box. This was the first Civil War thing I ever bought, and I spent $100 on it, and it was a great deal. The difference, how you can tell it's the cartridge box, is I just got these loops on here for the wires to sew into, and this was excavated at the Battle of Fredericksburg, Hazel Run. And then beside it is also a cartridge box breast sling. So this would go in the cartridge box, but would also stand proudly on the front of the soldier's chest. South Carolina made one of these for their soldiers too, and so did other Confederate ones, but not many. But these are all really cool pieces, and I'm glad I got to share them with you and explain the difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll be sharing more soon.